Happy Tuesday, everyone, and wow, what a wild 24 hours it's been in the world of crypto and traditional markets. Let me walk you through everything that went down. So first off, Bitcoin absolutely smashed through $126,000 for the first time ever. And if you're wondering whether institutional money is paying attention, BlackRock and Fidelity's spot Bitcoin ETFs just did a combined $5.48 billion in trading volume in a single day. And get this, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF is now officially their most profitable ETF in the entire lineup. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 is doing its thing during this government shutdown, up 0.8% so far and notching its 32nd all-time high of the year, because apparently the last 6 shutdowns have all been pretty bullish for stocks. Go figure. Speaking of that shutdown, it's actually pushing some investors toward Bitcoin as a quote-unquote safe haven asset, which is a pretty wild narrative shift if you think about where we were a few years ago. On the macro side, the US dollar has lost over 10% of its value this year, while gold just hit a new all-time high of $3,977, and silver broke records too at $48.76 per ounce. Over in the stock world, AMD absolutely ripped 27% higher after landing a deal with OpenAI. Palantir's forward price to earnings ratio is now sitting at a truly bonkers 221 times. And Robinhood apparently decided to take a little nap today with some reported outages. Billionaire Paul Tudor Jones chimed in calling Bitcoin one of the biggest winners in this market. And he's not wrong when you look at Strategy reporting $3.9 billion in total Bitcoin fair value appreciation just in quarter 3 of 2025. Now let's talk altcoins because there's a lot happening. Ethereum is cruising at $4,700, and Fidelity's tokenized money market fund on Ethereum just crossed $200 million in supply, plus Grayscale got approval to enable staking for its spot Ethereum products and launched the first spot staking crypto ETFs for both Ethereum and Solana in the US, which is a pretty big institutional step forward. BNB hit a new all-time high of $1,195 and somehow now has a bigger market cap than Boeing. Let that sink in. Solana's having a moment too, with a NASDAQ-listed company buying $530 million worth of Solana for its treasury, though Helios CEO threw some shade saying Solana is, quote, embarrassingly behind on stables and perps, so not all sunshine and rainbows there. Jupiter launched a wallet for desktop, Matrica's rolling out chat for Solana tokens, and Bitmine Immersion, a publicly traded company, scooped up 179,251 Ethereum worth $820.6 million in just the past week. Oh, and Vice token rallied 54% ahead of tomorrow's DEX launch with some big features supposedly on the way. And PDGN launched a decentralized perpetual exchange with 5% of developer supply going to active users via airdrops. And in the real-world crypto crossover department, Opendoor Technologies CEO just announced they'll soon let you buy homes using cryptocurrency, which feels very 2025. Also, fun fact, wholesale egg prices in the US are down 85% from their February peak, so your breakfast is getting cheaper even if your Bitcoin bags are getting heavier. That's your Tuesday wrap. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you tomorrow with whatever madness the markets throw at us next.